Marie Curie was a chemist and a physicist who was one of the pioneers of radioactivity research. Her achievements included the development of the theory of radioactivity. She developed techniques for isolating radioactive isotopes, and she discovered two elements, which were polonium and radium. Radiochemistry is the branch of chemistry concerned with radioactive substances. If a substance is radioactive, it just means that it has an unstable nucleus. Because its nucleus is unstable, the radioactive element undergoes a process called radioactive decay. Radioactivity has both positive and negative connotations. Some positive uses for radioactive isotopes include serving